Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. Please check out our website, www.truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. We do not put any pricing on YouTube, so if you have any price inquiries, please jump over to our website where all of our prices are listed. I will also put a direct link to this particular RV in the description below. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2007 Roadtrek 190 Versatile. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the inside tour of this Roadtrek. I'm going to start up front, then I'm going to make my way towards the rear, and then back towards the front to try to get you a few different angles so you can get a feel of the space in this RV. This is a very rare 4x4 model that was done by Roadtrek. Roadtrek would send the chassis out to Quigley Conversions and have the chassis converted to a 4x4 by Quigley, and then they would build the motorhome. This one will sleep 4 people. The front 2 chairs will swivel towards the rear 2 chairs. And this one actually comes with the mattresses that span that gap. I'll show you those later in the video. All the leather is in really good condition. The front 4 chairs are leather. Rear entry door. Up above the passenger rear seat, we got the remote start switch for the Onan generator, which has 447 hours. This one has a power awning switch right there. I believe that switch is for the porch light. Then we've got our control center. Test how much is in each one of the tanks, water pump, and the battery disconnect switch. Come back over to the driver's side. Up top we've got a microwave, range fan over there, single basin kitchen sink. Underneath the cover there is a 2-burner cooktop, and down bottom we have the 3-way refrigerator, which will run on propane, 12 volt or 110. Burner cooktop. Got the range fan switches with the light up there as well. This one is equipped, like most of the newer Roadtreks, with a Cool Cat heat pump that will give you AC via 110 power, or it will also give you heat through the heat pump, which is also electric. And they do have a built-in propane furnace. Brown cover down there. Propane furnace is for when it's too cold out for the heat pump to work. Not going to go into detail there, but if the outside temperature is so low, heat pumps are not designed to work in extremely cold temperatures. Rear bed cushions all appear to be in really good condition. No tears or rips, no stains. Brand new flat screen TV that was installed by our guys. We always put in TVs with built-in DVD players. Just seems a little easier, a little more convenient. You don't have to get into a cupboard for DVDs and such, all that good stuff. Switch up top here is for an inverter. That inverter will power the TV when you are not plugged in to shore power or running the generator. Allows you to watch that TV while you're going down the road, or if you're boondocking and not plugged in, and you want to watch it off of your 12-volt coach battery. Like all the Roadtreks, how the shower works. I'll show you the inside of the shower here in a second. The track in the ceiling up here that goes around the fantastic fan. You'll pull the shower curtain out of the closet door that has the mirror on it. You'll open that up, pull the shower curtain around you on that track up top, and then you essentially stand in the aisle inside the curtain to shower. This is a fiberglass shower drain pan, as well as up there if water does happen to trickle up there. But this trench here is your drain. The water will go into that and then go down into your holding tank. Cabinet in front of the TV. This originally would have housed the DVD player and sort, but since we put a built-in DVD player in the TV, that's all open with extra storage. Remotes and books for the brand new TV. Got some storage down bottom. Small drawer there. Up top, in the rear here, you got storage on either side. A few compartments above the kitchen area. I'm going to swing around and show you the wet bath. Got the toilet down bottom, shower curtain tucked in the corner there. Like I said, you'll pull that around yourself while you stand in the aisle, and then grab the shower head and pull that out and shower. Closet directly beside that. This houses, they've got built-in storage compartment here for the table. That can be used up front or in the rear. And then the table leg. A few shelves up top. A couple extra cushions for the bed are currently being stored in that closet. So you could essentially put the table in this spot, swivel your front two chairs, and have 4 people sitting up here, all facing each other, playing cards, eating dinner, whatever you want to do. Or you could also put the table in the rear and sit 3 to 4 people around the table in that rear dinette. This door up here opens up, a little bit of storage up there. Shifter for the 4-wheel drive. Leather seats are also in really good shape. Wood grain dash. Got the nice big touchscreen, CD, DVD, and I believe navigation built into the dash there. If you have any questions on this one, give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealership around. Here is what the front chair is swiveled around. And then we have the front, I think what they call a twin bed here, with the 2 mattresses that come included with this. This is the first time I've ever gotten these. I don't imagine that this is a custom made piece. I think they're sold by Roadtrek, but first time I've ever gotten one, first time I've ever seen one. There it is. The driver's side can also be swiveled to make a bed just like that one. I do have 2 of these mattresses, so you can sleep 2 people up front. I'm going to say this would be more so for either a shorter person or a child. Not a very large bed, but can be used as a bed.